Hey guys, today we're going to be making another YouTube video. We're going to be getting some stuff done around the farm. I know we're going to be hauling manure for sure, and we're going to be feeding some heifers and other things like that. Our little kitten. We've had him for a while, but he's new to you guys, so I figured I'd show him to you. First, we're going to start off with feeding the heifers today. These heifers in here, they're all new, so they don't eat much hay. So we won't give them very much. We actually got to get this feeder first. Got their hay done. Now it's time for grain. Younger calves, we actually give them rolled corn and barley instead of ground corn, so I'll get some of that. Got some happy heifers now. Pearl's hunting mice. Get it. Did you get it? Good dog. Looks like you got a mouthful of hay too. Now we gotta give these calves grain and water. They also get rolled corn and barley, so we'll get that done. Got them all fed and watered, and they're happy now, so I think we're gonna start hauling manure now. We gotta move these cows into the next paddock first, because I'm gonna be hauling manure in the paddock that they're in right now. Come on! Come on! Got the cows all moved. They're closing that paddock right now, so that way I can drive past them and spread manure in the last paddock. We'll let them out in a while when I'm done. Get this old girl fired up. Wanna ride on the bucket? We got the first pit cleaned out down there. There was only about a load and a half, so we got that done. Now we moved up here. Got this paddock all spread and done. Cows are free now. So now we're gonna move up to the hills and go spread that. This is the field we're gonna be spreading in now. You can see there's some turkeys over there. So let's get this done. Guys, I stopped for the day. We got quite a bit done. There's only a few loads left in there. Hey guys, it's the next day today. We're gonna be doing some more stuff. We're gonna be hauling manure again and maybe doing something else. I'm gonna show you guys the chores right now. First, I gotta take this reel down though. Here's the reel we're gonna be taking down. Gotta go take this post off real quick. If you guys want, we can make a video to show you guys how we graze with robots. So let me know in the comments if you guys want to see that. Let me see if I can get this off of here one-handed. Got that. Reel this reel up now. Reels are really nice right here. They have an equipment lock, so that way when you lock it on your equipment, it stays on there. They also have gears on the inside, so when you reel slow, it actually goes fast. So that's really nice instead of the old style. Really like these reels. Car around. I'm gonna start feeding calves. Got everything loaded, ready to go. You ready, Pearl? Came down here to get the cat real quick. Take him to the barn and give him some milk. Come on, little buddy. Full, buddy? Well, I think he's full. These calves are good and full. They're just mad I took their bottles away. Try to get these calves fed now. I'll do the time lapse for you. Got them going. While they're drinking, I'll go over and feed the group pen real quick and then come back and get their feeders. I gotta feed these girls real quick. Get them going. Now while they're drinking, I'll go over there and get their feeders off, and then when I'm done with that, I'll come back and get their feeders off. Easy as that. All done feeding milk now. I'm not gonna show you guys feeding hay or anything because I already showed you that yesterday, so I think we're gonna start hauling manure next. Starting manure. Let me get this baby fired up. Alright, go get some diesel. Got her filling. Hauling in this field right here. Definitely needs some fertilizer, so. Pull out the special rock and you're good to go. I'm also 100% sure we need some water in the radiator. So we're headed there now. for a little while. This is the last load. My dad told me to explain the importance of washing your equipment when you're done using it. So I'm gonna put it simple. It's important to wash your equipment when you're done using it. So guys, we got all the manure hauled, got the tractor and the spreader washed, got that all done. So make sure you like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.